Introducing the Mistral 802 Wet and Dry Industrial Vacuum Cleaner. The 802 features a painted or stainless steel body and comes with two filters as standard, one for picking up liquids and one for dry materials. It is extremely easy to set up, and its two powerful bypass motors provide all the power you need. A vacuum gauge and a sensor indicate whenever the filter needs to be cleaned. Here is the machine collecting 70 liters of water. Thanks to its floating device, which stops the suction when the container is full of liquids, you take no risk of burning the motors. As you can see, the 802 can collect 70 liters of liquids in less than 50 seconds. Emptying the tank is also quite easy. Just stop the vacuum and lower the discharge hose. Thanks for watching. Click on the left to watch a review of an industrial vacuum cleaner for dust and solids, or on the right to ask for a free quotation.